Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to get a refund from your Uber ride. Now, if you had an Uber ride that wasn't really that good or you made a mistake, somebody made a mistake, so on and so forth, it's quite easy. Now, what you want to do, of course, you need to be on your Uber app. And here you're going to see your main menu on the bottom of the screen that says Home, Services, Activity, and Account. So you want to go to Activity, right? And this is pretty much where all of your ride history will be shown. Just choose the one trip that you want to get a refund for. So if you have a trip and then just tap on it, tap on the trip details, right? Once you tap on trip details, you're gonna have two options here, two tabs, which is help and receipts. So tap on help, and then there is going to be an option here, as you can see, an option to I would like a refund. Now, do take note, just to be clear, Uber does not penalize the driver for every complaint that you give or any user complaint that they've received, even if it falls into one of the main options, which is like legitimacy of upfront pricing, unexpected long drive due to traffic, so on and so forth, or any unreasonable surge pricing. So yeah, just follow the steps after that, and you'll be good to go. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.